Mail time. Episode.
What episode is it?
Give me a summary.
What episode is it?
I have no clue.
Okay. Well, whatever. Well, mail time.
Boxes. Mail time. Boxes.
Look at all these boxes. You go there all the time and you never have shit. And then today you go there and you literally had a Kia full.
Yeah, the old lady there, I feel bad. She's not that old. I shouldn't say old lady. But she can't even pick the stuff up. You know, she's like, here, and I feel like such an asshole, but...
You should feel like an asshole.
There's nothing, one day to the next. Check this out. Elgin, apparently, they sent me so many goodies I didn't even get to go through all of them. Look, they sent me a hat.
Look at you.
They sent me like 3 beanies and 3
You're
knives.
decadent.
I should give some of these away. I told Glenn I'd give one away. Should we give one away on Sloppy Public or something?
Yeah.
We'll do like a comment below and I'll give away. They're nice. Feel it. It's heavy. That's a nice knife.
Yeah.
Think about stabbing me with it later.
Oh, yeah. Look at me. I'm being nice and actually filming for you.
What is this?
Stuff.
Oh! I ordered this one.
Oh, what is it?
Dipstick. It's a transmission dipstick. It's going on this rowdy SOB.
Oh, I thought you were calling yourself a dipshit.
Oh, that's...
Oh, wait, am I allowed to curse, or is that okay? I don't remember.
I try not to. People say they watch it with their kids, but it doesn't always go as planned.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
I'll get there eventually. When my kid starts cursing, I'll feel bad.
If he curses...
I'll identify with the rest
If he
of you.
curses, he's going to have to sit in the chair that's on the wall.
This one, I know about this, but recently in my my ad hoc podcast where I just jumped on live accidentally, I was testing my record and watching the recordings, and I hit start broadcasting instead of start recording, so I did a 2-hour...
Is that why you put a sticker over your camera now?
What?
There's a sticker over your webcam. I think there's electrical tape.
That's a smart thing to do because people can hack them pretty easily. So whenever you don't want someone watching what you're doing, IT companies actually sell sliders that go over ones on laptops.
Well, those people are freaking weird. You don't know what they're doing on the computers.
Exactly.
Yeah, but what the hell are you doing in your office?
Fucking weird. Anyway, I said I use G+ throttle bodies, and I said a lot of people recommend War Performance, and a lot of people chimed in immediately, and they're like, yeah, I use those, I like those, and I'm like, I don't have an opinion, I've never used them. But people like them. That guy emailed me. He's like, I watched your thing. I thought it was great that you talked about me as an alternative. And he's like, I'm not going to put this on the car now, but we're going to try it later. He's like, I would love to send you one to test and let people know what you think of it. Because I think his throttle bodies are only like $10, $15, $20 more than the China ones. And the China ones, you have to watch out that the screws don't fall out. You have to Loctite them. There's a couple things. Sometimes they whistle. Blah, blah, blah. But everybody says... He goes through these, and they don't, so... Look, he sent me a nice sticker. You want to put that somewhere?
Yeah.
On Dylan's stuff?
Or on your toolbox.
So he sent me what we can assume, black anodized 92mm throttle body, no vent tube 4-bolt. A veteran-owned company. Oh, that's cool. I like supporting those people. Ask Mike Hennessy. Nice. It comes with like all sorts of screws. So this one, you can choose to get no vent tube.
Everyone can get...
So nervous.
Yeah, I know. I was about to say it because
like
you look
I've never stabbed myself on camera.
Not on camera.
A day. So you swap the stock stuff onto this. It actually is pretty nice looking. Look at it. Wop wop wop.
I zoomed in.
It is nice. It is nicer looking than the G+. I'll say that.
Look at you. You could be a hand model.
Like this?
Yeah.
Don't zoom in. Does it look like crap? Because there's a wide angle on there. If you zoom in too much, it starts to look like crap.
No, it doesn't look like crap.
Okay, well this is beautiful, Mr. I forget everybody's name. I'm such a jerk. At least they all know I do. So we're gonna put this back so I don't lose anything. I'm gonna put this. Oh, there's 2 stickers. Oh, here's a whole instruction sheet on how to use it for people who are idiots or uninformed. No offense to idiots. I'm going to stack this. This is for the Mustang also. It's going to go here. Gently. What do we open next? A big one? A small one?
The small one on top.
Trash.
The one that's an Amazon box.
Someone sent me an Amazon box. I'm going to
Are those gloves?
Gloves.
Did you order them?
No, I talked about the gloves. In my video, I just talked about... I don't know if I even said I was running out. Maybe people know.
No, you've just been talking about your gloves running out for a while, because even I'm sick of hearing you fucking talk about them.
I'm almost out. Is there a note? A love note? These are the best shop gloves. I thought you would enjoy them. Cheers and good luck on 8s, Lucas. Lucas, you're awesome. Are these the 9 mil or 10 mil or whatever they are? They feel heavy. Nice black gloves. Look, I'm dwindling down. There's not much left in there. My supplies are low on gloves. Thank you.
You've got to keep those hands clean.
Yeah, I mean, I'm an IT guy. What are we, what's the next point?
The big one. Another Amazon box.
Is it? Does it say it on the side yet?
Yeah, there's a swoosh thing. I know Amazon boxes.
Holy shit.
What is that? A hose reel?
An air hose reel. I said I was going to buy one of these. I'm glad I almost did. I almost went to Harbor Freight the other day and bought that cart. The guy sent me a coupon to buy a cart because I said I hate dragging my hose out.
Wait, you don't have a cart reel? I thought you did have one at the old house. I saw it hanging up.
No. I would just hang the hose up.
Oh, you didn't have a hose reel?
No, this is an automatic.
You didn't have one?
No, I never have.
I thought you did, or I would have bought you one.
No, I just hung my hoses on that hook on the wall up high so they were out of the way. That's badass.
Oh, well, that's up in the air. I don't really get to see that high up. I'm short.
Oh, I got love notes.
That's cool.
Man. Hi, Matt. As always, I appreciate what you do for the community. I'm hoping my Don't BS Me Plymouth Valiant will be on the road around the same time as 8s for 8 SN95. Best regards, Dirt Floor Fab on YouTube. Wow, thanks, dude. I know that guy. He comments on my shit all the time. He's
Dirt
always
Floor
on my
Fab.
live.
I like his name.
Dirt Floor Fab.
Yeah, I can't say it. It's too much.
Dirt Floor Fab. Dirt Floor Fab.
Yeah.
Say it.
No.
Wow, Goodyear one? You really sprung, buddy. We gotta send him something. Let's send him the Elgin knife. And some other, like, I'll just put a whole bunch of Elgin goodies in it. I can't even use them all. They keep sending me so much cool stuff. Not that I don't appreciate it. Well, I don't need to open this now.
Matt's a minimalist. He doesn't really use much.
You have to force me to get stuff.
Yeah.
Or you just get it for me.
Yeah.
And tell me to use it or you'll stab me. Wow, that's incredible. That's so cool. Those are so useful. So now when I do have to do annoying shit with my air compressor, I can just...
I didn't know you didn't have one. I feel like a horrible wife right now.
I'll put it in the center. So now I should put it over here actually, because then I can run it out to the cars easy too.
Yeah, for when you're filling up my air and
Filling
my
10 cars with tires.
with tires.
Everybody thinks having 10 cars is cool and all, until you have to change the oil and fill the tires on every one of them.
And do inspection.
And do inspection.
And like, registration.
You get in the car and you're like, is every car out of date? Holy shit.
Well, most of ours are within a 3-month span.
Yeah, so it's compounded. At least we look. When one's going, we start to look. Or at least Mitch is like, hey, I think your car's up. He remembers. Doesn't your car need inspection?
Yeah, he did it with the Evo.
Oh, this guy said he would do this. This is the guy that asked permission before he did it.
The guy that messaged me?
The battery box and a shut-off switch.
Yeah, he messaged me.
That's awesome. So this is the battery box.
He asked me how to... He said he wanted to buy it for you and how he could do it. And I said, email you. And you actually responded. I couldn't believe it. You normally don't respond.
Luckily, this was a fairly cheap item, and we did need it anyway. I wish he had just sent me the box, because everyone's like, you need a battery shutoff switch, you need whatever. The damn bumper that came with this car has the charging nodes and a battery shutoff switch in the stock bumper.
Well, if you ever put the bumper on it, you would be able to know.
Well, sometimes they go bad, so I'll see if that one's any good. Because Mark's on his 7-second car was bad. We always thought his alternator and stuff was bad. It was this damn thing. So, at least I have another one. Or what I'll do is I'll give one of them away. I'll put the new one on and give the other crappy one away so it leaves someone stranded. And then they can leave me a bad review on Yelp.
That wasn't funny.
Is everything inside? Oh, it's got a vent tube and everything.
Look at you, fancy.
Put that in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. Dang, cool. Thanks, everybody. This was a fairly productive mail time. No kidding, right? That hose reel is exciting. There's a lot of exciting stuff, but that's exciting. That's one of those things like the drip pan.
Yeah, I can't believe you don't have one. I swore I bought you a Cobalt one. Or was that...
Compressor.
Oh, compressor
You bought
line.
me an entire compressor, and you bought me a flexible hose.
That's what I bought you.
But yeah, it's just... I never use it, so it's annoying to yank it out. But yeah, this will just be like you pull down, you use it, and you let it fly, and it smashes the window out of the Mustang on its way up. No problem.
This seems like a good idea.
Okay. That's pretty much it. I'll go put this with my Mustang stuff and throw and burn everything else.